Welcome to this short video tutorial on how to vote at the District 17 Virtual District Council meeting. District 17 will be using breakout rooms for voting. Each delegate will be sorted into a breakout room based on the number of votes that they are eligible to cast. There will be 3 breakout rooms, one for people with 1 vote, one for people with 2 votes, and one for people with 3 votes. The Credentials Committee will rename each delegate as they join the meeting. Throughout the District Council meeting, there will be items of business that require a vote. When this occurs, delegates will be moved into the breakout room, which will each have a co-host assisting the Credentials Committee chair. The following slides are instructions if you are using a computer, followed by slides with instructions if you are using a smart device. These instructions are for using a computer or laptop. Once you are in the breakout room, go to the bottom of your screen and click Participants. The participant window will open and you will see the list of people who are in the breakout room with you. You should vote as soon as you enter the breakout room. If you are in favour of the motion, click Yes. If you oppose the motion, click No. You can see in these examples that when I clicked Yes, a green tick appeared next to my name. And when I clicked No, a red cross appeared next to my name. The co-host will be able to see the tally at the bottom. For those who will be using smart devices, once you are in the breakout room, tap the screen so that the menu appears at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Participants to open the Participants window. Tap Yes or No to vote in favour of the motion or against the motion. You will see your vote appear next to your name. When the votes are cast, the co-host for the breakout room will take a screenshot of the Participants window, which shows how many participants are in the room, how they all voted, and the final tally of those for and against the motion. This will be sent to the Credentials Committee Chair for the final tally. Once the Credentials Committee Chair is satisfied that all votes have been received and accounted for, he will direct the breakout rooms to be closed and you will automatically go back to the meeting room. The whole process should take about 5 minutes. If you have any questions about this process, please contact the District Administration Manager at toastmaster.cherie@gmail.com.